Hi, it's Sava, Technical Director of Cool You UK, and today I'm going to talk about how much disruption is involved. When thinking about air conditioning, a lot of people worry about the decor, the walls, the floors, their furnishings, and most importantly, their time. People are worried that it's going to be a massive hassle, but really it's not. This is where our experience really comes into play. Typically on a single installation, we will turn up nice and early in the morning, 8 o'clock, we will protect everything within the apartment and you do not even have to be there. As long as you're there in the morning, just simply go through the details with us. We will then crack on throughout the day and typically up until about 4 o'clock will be completed and you will have a beautifully air-conditioned apartment. You really don't have to worry about your walls, your decor, your wallpaper. You've just spent a fortune decorating the place. We will be very careful. We are very meticulous about how we complete an installation, and even if it ran into a second day, we would rather do that than rush the job and leave you with an end product that you're not happy with. I personally will carry out the site survey in the first instance. I will also attend on the first day of installation in the morning to run through the installation with the engineers, and then I will return to hand over the job to you to make sure you are fully satisfied with the installation. If you've got any questions, then give us a call on the number on the screen or visit our website. Thank you.